Monday morning, Dog Beach, bird flight. Hey guys, check it out, everybody. Pretty well, huh? Low flying. I'm gonna fly that low here. Pretty neat. Pretty quiet morning. 8 o'clock in the morning, Monday. Pretty wild. Pretty wild, everybody. Guys, got all this stuff still there. Well, this girl's breaks here. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one. There's the other one. A couple surfers getting ready. Surfers getting ready to go surfing. Surfers getting ready to go surfing. Aw. Oh, here's Emily. Looks like she's up on her bicycle. She's got no bike on the front. Yablon. Oh, someone's got a ticket. I got a ticket for parking here, looks like. One of them's got the silly red slip. Neighbor guy makes up the slips and puts them on there. Oh, what do they got going on? A camera? Is there a surf contest today? Wow, maybe. Wow. Talk to everybody. Bye.